In this video, we will explain all new functionalities that are available in App4Sales version 1.4.2. App4Sales version 1.4.2 supports multiple order registration methods. It is possible to lock App4Sales, after which you can give your tablet to the customer, and the customer can create an order, him or herself. By locking App4Sales, only the current order can be edited. The customers will not see other customers and will not be able to give themselves any discount. To unlock App4Sales, touch the locker and fill in your password. It is possible to add a week or year number to an order as a reference. Turn on this functionality in your settings, and you are able to select a week number in the right top bar. After this, the week number will be added to the order as a reference. It is possible to do a custom synchronization. Select the components that you want to synchronize. The unselected components will not be synchronized when doing the synchronization. The custom synchronization is based on the components that you select from the list. The selection will be saved for the next synchronization. You can search in Customer Notes. You can do this as follows. Go to the notes on the customer card. You will now see a list of all notes that are created for this customer. Go to the magnifier in the right top bar. Search for the notes you are looking for and press the Enter button on your keyboard. Any notes that contain the search word will appear. New functionalities are also added to the catalog and lookbook. To know, the multi-select function, which is more extensive than the actual filter function. You can now select multiple filters in order to see multiple selections at once. Do you want to use the multi-select function? Turn on the Multiple Sub-Filters button in your settings. Go to the catalog and touch the filter icon on the right top bar. For example, go to Product Group and select one or multiple filters. You can remove the filter by touching the filter icon another time. Searching in Additions is improved. To open the search engine, go to the magnifier in the right top bar. Type the word of the product you are looking for and press the Enter button on your keyboard. Multiple functions are added to the catalog. These functions can be implemented to your App4Sales environment by our employees. You can add a Related Items button to the product screen. This button will help you navigate to related items in the catalog. After this, you can have a look at the products and order these immediately. Do you use Exact Globe? Then it is possible to show stocks according to the chosen delivery date. Additional functionalities are available for offline use in App4Sales. It is now possible to show quantity discounts and stock amounts offline. Free customer fields are also visible offline. Be aware, these functionalities are only supported when App4Sales can synchronize this data from your ERP system. Ask your account manager for the details.